Gratinated shrimp is a simple yet very tasty dish, perfect for an elegant seafood appetizer or a sophisticated main course. Ingredients: 500 grams of fresh shrimp, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh parsley, 30 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Clean the shrimp by removing the shell and the intestinal filament, leaving the tail intact. Wash the shrimp and gently pat them dry. In a bowl, mix the breadcrumbs with finely chopped garlic, freshly chopped parsley, grated Parmesan cheese, a pinch of salt and pepper. Place the shrimp on a baking tray lined with parchment paper with their tails pointing upwards. Top each shrimp with a generous amount of the breadcrumb mixture, pressing down lightly to help it adhere. Drizzle the gratinated shrimp with a stream of extra virgin olive oil and bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the breadcrumbs are golden and crispy. Remove from the oven and serve the gratinated shrimp hot, garnished with a sprig of fresh parsley for a touch of color. Remember to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on new recipes and visit our website for more delicious culinary ideas. Gratination is a culinary technique that involves browning the surface of a dish, often used to add a crunchy texture to dishes topped with bread, cheese, or bechamel sauce.